Believing in yourself is the first step of getting the success. With this wonderful quotation, good morning to Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, all the hardworking teachers of Uttarayan Academy and my dear friends. Today, this is me, Bhumika, here along with the members of Class 8 to present today's morning assembly. Classes, attention! Sanities! Attention! Sanities! Starting our day by remembering to the God can make our whole day. So now I would like to call my classmates for prayer. Sanities, attention, sanities, attention. A thriving nation is rooted in prosperity with the signs of Narendra Modi. Now I would like to call Himanshu for praise.
Good morning to Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, all the hardworking teachers of Uttarayan Academy and dear friends. Today I am Himanshu Singlish from class 8th standard here to say my place. So get ready for please. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of each and very heritage. As always, strive to be a loyal and what is of it. I also respect to my parents, elders, teachers and elders. I also kindness to animal, to my country and my people. I pledge my devotion, India happiness and prosperity. I realize my happiness. May God give a countryman peace and prosperity. जय हिंद, भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की.
Sanities, attention. Classes sit down. And positive thinking. So for third, I would like to call Devashish.
Good morning to Honorable Chairman, sir, respected principal ma'am, all the staff members of Uttarayan Academy and my dear friends. Today I, Devashish Fish, behalf of class 8, standing in front of you to deliver my thought. And my thought is like this. Without any dream, there is no life. Without any hard work, there is no success. I repeat my thought once again. Without any tree, there is no life. Without any hard work, there is no success. I translate my thought in Hindi. बिना पेड़ के कोई जिंदगी नहीं है और बिना किसी परिश्रम के बिना सफलता नहीं है. Thank you very much.
News are crucial for well-informed and functional society. So now I would like to call our seniors for news.
Honorable Chairman, sir, respected principal ma'am, all the staff members of Uttarayan Academy, and my dear friends. First of all, good morning to all of you. This is me, Himanshu Bekar, from 11th standard. Today I am here to say my news highlights. And my first news from international. Russia and China discuss about the Ukraine war and tied with the United States. And my next news from national. Indian military added on defense zone for reasons of India for security purpose. And my next news from Uttarakhand. Due to heavy rainfall and landslide, Uttarakhand government has suspended the Char Dham Yatra for 2 days. And my next news from sports. Yesterday was the third test match between India and England. England made 192 runs and India won 193 runs to win. And my last news from temperature. Today's the temperature of Bageshwar is 25 degrees Celsius and mostly cloudy. Thank you very much.
Children are the flowers that bloom and spread the fragrance of happiness. So now I would like to call Parth Khanai from class LKG to recite his poems.
Hello everyone, my name is Parthakanai from class LKG. Today my Hindi poem is हमसे करके वादा जी भूल गए क्यों दादाजी अभी तक ले लाओ अब बात नहीं बनाओ अब जल्दी दे दो दादाजी थोड़ा ना वादा जी. My English poem is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we'll drink every day. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, exercise every day. Sunday is the holiday, very, very jolly day. Thank you, have a nice day.
Patience and knowledge. So now I would like to call Lavanya Pandey to ask you some tricky questions.
Honorable Chairman, sir, respected principal ma'am, all the hardworking and dedicated staff of Uttarayan Academy, and my dear friends. First of all, a very charming good morning to all of you. This is me, Lavanya Pandey, on behalf of class 8, standing here to ask you some tricky questions. And the topic is Indian treaties with the neighboring country. My first question is, when was the Shimla Agreement signed? I repeat my question once again. When was the Shimla Agreement signed?
Simla Agreement. Treaty is yesterday told us.
The correct answer is 1972. And my next question is, after which war was Shimla Agreement signed?
Simla Agreement was signed between Pakistan. Pakistan war.
Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is Indo-Pakistan War. My next question is, when was the Indus Water Treaty signed?
Indus Water Treaty. Just recently these topics were
The correct answer is 1960. And my next question is, when was the Mahakali Treaty signed? With which country was the Mahakali Treaty signed?
Which country? Between which countries? Mahakali.
Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is
Stand up.
yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is Nepal. And my next question is, with which country was the Panchayat Agreement signed?
Repeat.
I repeat my question once again. With which country was the Panchsheel agreement signed?
Panchasheel. Panchasheel treaty signed.
The correct answer is China. And the next question is, when was the Ganga Water Treaty signed? I repeat my question once again. When was the Ganga Water Treaty signed? The correct answer is 1996. And my next question is, with which country was the Indus Water Treaty signed? Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is Pakistan.
Which treaty?
Indus Water Treaty.
English water.
Indus.
Indus.
And my next question is, between which two leaders was the Indus Water Treaty signed?
Which two leader between that country's leader? Who were the leaders? Who were the leader of that country?
Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is Jawaharlal Nehru and Mr. Ayub Khan. Thank you and have a nice day.
Vital role in shaping every student's life. So now I would like to call respected Rojana ma'am to motivate us.
Thank you, Bhumika. If you don't learn, how will you learn? If you don't learn, how will you learn? With these lovely lines, Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, fellow teachers, and my dear lovely students, good morning, everyone. So, students, one question is raising here. Which exam is the toughest exam in India? G. Huh?
G means
G means others.
UPSC.
UPSC. Others. It means that only class 6th and 7th students, they are doing hard work for their career. That's why they know G means and UPSC. So I'm expecting to senior students, they give response. So students, UPSC, G means these are the toughest exam in India. So what is the full form of UPSC? Who knows this full form? UPSC full form. Okay, so junior classes, who knows? UPSC. Its full form is U.
Union Public Service Commission.
Yes, very good. Union Public Service Commission. Its full form is. Okay, students. You know, UPSC is a motivation in itself. How? One story is here. A boy who was living in a village. His family condition was not very good. Even his father, he was doing work in a factory, and his mother, she was a housewife. And even they are doing hard work in their fields, like in our village. But after that, that boy from childhood only, he was thinking that one day when he saw his parents doing very hard work for him and his family, so that time he decided one day he will do something good in his life. But slowly, when he grown up, so he checked his environment because he was belongs to a village. So in village area, no environment for him. So he searched in his mobile what he will do for his future. Like you are, if you got mobile phone, you will see games, you will play games, yeah, other movies you will check. But that boy, he used mobile, but used mobile for his career, not for only enjoying. In that mobile, he checked how he will get a successful job and what he do for his family. And later on, he checked with social media, he make his career, and after that, in his high school and intermediate, he joined some coaching classes, but even he was noticing his father saving a single penny, saving single pennies for him, doing very hard work for him. Even his mother, early he was wake up for his child. Why? Because he was thinking for his child. But later on, that boy, he cleared UPSC exam in the first attempt. How? For his hard work, for his passion, and for his determination. So that's why it means it doesn't matter how your family background, but your hard work is the main thing. So students, you know, if you will success in your life, if you will pass any exam, your surrounding people will notice you, they will listen you. And if you fail, then also they will listen. He will fail. They will point out to you. But only your parents, if you will success, they will be like, that only for you, and if you will fail, and they will stand for you only, not people. So students, do hard work and learn something and do achieve in your success. Thank you. Have a nice day.
The lady who is always standing behind us as a principal, as a teacher, as an advisor, and as a helper. So now I would like to call our admirable principal ma'am to motivate us.
Thank you, Bhumika, and thank you for the compliments for me. And so, whatever you are thinking for me, so I'll try to my best to improve all these things. And firstly, I wish you a very fresh morning to our honorable chairman, sir, all the hardworking and dedicated teachers of our Uttarayan Academy, and all the sincere and disciplined students of our institution. Very, very good morning to everyone. So, well, children, how are you all today? Are you all fine? Feeling well? Yes or no? Why? Because today weather is pleasant, cool, so very you are comfortable to listen here. So that is very that pleasant for us that such weather, the comfortable and favorable weathers that make us also energetic and sincere to do some works. Is right? So students, firstly I will just talk about their assembly activities, because this is my turn is for daily that responsibility also, that give the feedback that how the performance was done. So because this is very, very important that anyone giving to feedbacks of our works, so then we come to know that what are our weakness and what are ours that is a appreciable work. Understood or not? All are agree with this? All require the feedback of your work? All are expecting the feedback of your work or not? Everyone? What work, how we have done, how the others are thinking about our work, right or not? So okay, in that category today class 8 turns. So all the students of class 8 very well performed, and from commander to all the students, give the very big hand for everyone. And especially GK questions that treated Indian treaties. Okay, that is very good topics that we come to should know that. It means what treaties are signed and why these are for. Everything knowledge we should. And that poem students part also very good. And today this much from my side. Thank you very much.
Now I would like to call Chairman sir to say a few words.
Thank you, Bhumika. Good morning to respected principal and all the hardworking and dedicated staff of Uttarayan Academy, and teaching and technicals and non-technical staffs of Uttarayan Academy, and my lovely students. Good morning to all of you. Last time, in the sense of to qualify the competitive examination, the pattern of examination are the logical type of the questions. So we are going to be practice you a lot in the school. In the sense of the Olympiads, last time, the ITO is to be published. ITO examination is to be conducted here. Hindustan Olympiad is also conducted from in our school. And Sashtivigan Pariksha is also conducted. So students, when the results came out now, the final results of Hindustan Olympiads, the district toppers are from 2 students from our school are district toppers. Four students in ITO are the state toppers. 2, and you already know that from the Bageshwar. From the first list is going to be published for the Sainik School, Ghorakhal. From Bageshwar, only 3 students are going to be selected for this examination. One from Adarsh Vidyalaya Primary School, I think this is in Kapot. 1 student, and 2 students from the Uttarayan Academy. This is the result and audit. From the whole of the district. This is a great achievement. That's why, whatever you are doing, this is giving us the strength. They're giving us the direction to be clearing the things. Whatever you are doing, what kind of practice you are doing to the student, I think we are in the right path. So, some students are also waiting for Sainik School. Maybe second list will be published. Maybe any students will get again the seats in Ghorakhal. So, my wish to all the students, again those who are waiting for the second list now, because 40 students has been qualified and other students are going to be waiting for that. And in case of the Hindustan Olympiad, our first win third rank in the class, because first rank and third rank both are from our school in that class. That time they are in class 11th, and third rank received by Karan Singh Galia, but he is not now here. Karan Singh Galia, third rank in his class. He received the awards and the checks of 1,100 rupees. He is the third rank in the district Bageshwar. Now, class 11th, this time they are 12th, and first rank in the district, Bhupesh Galia, 3,100 rupees. Cash prize 3,100 rupees from the Hindustan Olympiad. Yes, please come on the stage. Next student, because those who are the winner, they are achieving every battles. Student, you must know about it. जिनको जीतने की का हुनर होता है, जीतने की आदत होती है, वो हमेशा जीतते हैं. इसलिए जीतने की आदत लगाइए. अपने आप में जो मानसिकता है, ये माइंडसेट है कि मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता, मैं जितना कर रहा हूं दैट इज ओके. नो. अगेन आई विल कॉल Avikant Upadhyay, class 6. He was presented in Sainik School, Warangal. That's why he is the winner in Army Sites. He got 3,100 rupees, class 6 topper in Bageshwar. Next toppers in the Hindustan Talent Olympiad ITO. These are the toppers in the state level toppers. And number 1 is Harsh Shah. Harsh Shah, I think he is in the mathematics, so he also got the checks from the ITO groups. And next one, toppers from in the state, Kumari Josna. Kumari Josna, please come on the stage. And you are the toppers who receive the checks from the ITO groups. Next one, toppers, state toppers, is Yatharth Giri Goswami. Yatharth Giri Goswami, he also received the check. So next day we will call in meetings of your parents. In front of all the parents, we will provide you all the this reward to you. This will be better on that day. Next one is, I think this is our little kids. Harshit Singh Galia. Harshit Singh Galia, maybe in his class is Harshit Singh Galia, maybe a first or second or yes. Harshit Singh Galia, very good, state topper. And this is very early. He started to achieve the awards for that. And second thing, the good news for the development of our institution to students, we are suffering a lot of times about the electricity in our school too, because whole of the area is like that only. 10 times we are calling, sometimes is some problem, sometimes some problem, sometimes some problem. It's like going on. So that's why I have installed the solar panel. Now you will get a 24 hours electricity in our school now. So, student, for your betterness, you are doing a lot of hard work, and also thinking to you must do hard work, because you will not receive such kind of the platform in your life too, because that time your life will be passed for your schooling. So must be serious for your study and respect your parents, respect your teachers, respect your elders. First education is that only. Second education is your formal education. You must be get good marks in your subject too. So today, Dishma Charlie, and thank you. Have a nice day.